Hey y'all, thanks for tuning in. Today we're doing a PS5 HDMI port replacement. It's hard to tell, but I'm also installing that little resistor capacitor there. Anyhow, let's go ahead and dig in. May want to turn down the audio. 3, 2, 1. Look how bad that displacement is. Imagine if we didn't include the liquid metal displacement, if we just did what we're hired for, like other shops. It's crazy to think about sometimes. Like a night and day. It's built her up. I almost forgot, but we're also going to be upgrading the M.2 storage. Damn glare. And we're back in action on video. And then next it will be the M.2. Has to do a reboot real quick. I don't like this glare. Give me one moment. So we just got to move forward on the storage. Well, apparently I got screwed on Amazon, so no upgrade for the client. I'll have to take the hit on that. That really blows. But anyhow, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Every little thing helps. New videos dropped every Sunday. Store open. Memberships available. Refurb units on the way.